I have found out that teaching can really consume you if all you do is grade and check emails all day. So this was something I developed and came up with, and it's been working pretty good so far. So what I did was I came up with daily course expectations, and on there I put the days I'm going to grade. So Monday and Tuesday I don't grade at all. Wednesday I grade work that's turned in at 9 o'clock, and I go through my whole grade book and I do it all. I just sit down and crank out all my grades. Thursday I don't grade again, and Friday I grade again, and then that's when I send out my missing work report. And I have that right in there. So if a kid sends me an email, I send out a missing work report on Friday. Kid turns it in at Friday at 2 o'clock, and then they send me an email. They say, I got my assignment turned in. I just say, all right, sounds great. I will grade it next Wednesday. And they know the expectation of that and when that's going to happen. So hopefully that can take some of that grading pressure off of you.